Hello and welcome to the Havilland Aircraft Museum. I'm standing by a field just to the south of the museum where in 1941 3 of the 5 prototype Mosquitos took off and flew the short distance to de Havilland's main factory in Hatfield. The first 2 were disassembled and transported by road to Hatfield. But reassembly proved problematic, taking nearly a month for each. So the decision was taken to fly the 3 remaining aircraft direct from the farm fields bordering the southern side of Salisbury Hall. No airstrip existed, so this field would have had to have been used. Estimates for a Mosquito takeoff distance, unladen, with a small amount of fuel load, are reckoned at about 450 yards. The gradient slopes about 70 feet from the takeoff site to the tree line, which would have helped gain sufficient speed. The aircraft would have been towed up from the construction hangars into the field prior to launch. We've always been intrigued at the museum at the ingenuity used in undertaking these flights whilst keeping the plans secret from the local population, particularly on the nearby farm. We thought we'd shoot some drone footage to try and replicate the point of view the pilot would have had on the takeoff run from the field. We've also had some video footage generated by the new flight simulator which has been installed at the museum. All 3 aircraft successfully flew to Hatfield, and the time saved in not having to reconstruct them helped speed up getting the Mosquito into widespread service, where it proved to be an outstanding aircraft. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and look out for further presentations. We look forward to seeing you at the museum.